Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by opening your iMovie project and importing the audio you want. You must select the clip area where music will live, then drag the file from Finder or use Import Media so iMovie copies it into the project library. If your track is long, trim or split in Finder first to avoid large imports. Once the file is visible in the media pane, place the playhead at the desired start point and drag the audio under your video timeline so it snaps into place. With audio in the timeline, focus on syncing it to visuals. Move the audio clip left or right, then split Command+B at key edit points to match cuts or action. Use the waveform to identify beats and snap segments to the playhead for precise alignment. Once aligned, add fade handles at the clip ends to smooth in and out. Make short fades for music beds and longer ones for mood shifts. Also consider increasing or decreasing clip gain to balance with dialogue. Finalize by balancing levels. Select the audio clip and use the volume slider and the built-in equalizer to reduce muddiness or boost presence. Once adjusted, play through the full project and export a short test render to confirm levels across headphones and speakers. If dialogue is drowned, reduce music by 36 dB and add ducking where needed. If audio won't play, re-import after reconverting to a compatible format. This usually fixes codec and metadata conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.